Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Study Point. Friends, recently I have uploaded a video about CBSE new scheme for class 10th board examination that the full course book will come. In that I have told you about the 5 subjects which will arrive in the exam and there is one sixth optional. So if you have not seen that video, I have given the video in the description. You can directly watch that video from the link in the description. So one subject is there, that is the sixth optional. So in this video I will tell you about what is their sixth optional and how the marks will be counted for their sixth optional. So watch this video till end. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel still now, then please subscribe it to get more and more videos related to studies and to get more important news of CBSE and other things. So guys, here the CBSE has remodeled its assessment scheme allowing class 10 students in vocational stream who fail in any social science, mathematics and science papers to replace it with a vocational subject. This is a new news by the CBSE. However, if a candidate wishes to reappear for the failed subject, he or she can appear in the compartment examination. Here the CBSE, under the National Skills Qualification Framework, that is NSQF, students in vocational stream have to study 6 subjects, wherein the 6th subject is an additional subject. There are about 13 subjects from which you have to choose only one as the additional subject or that vocational subject. The CBSE offers 2 streams in class 10. That the first one is academic and the second one is vocational. In academic means those who are opting for academic stream have to study 5 subjects, that is 2 languages, social science, mathematics and science. 2 languages are, one is English and the other one is your own language which you choose. So those who are opting for vocational stream, they will have to compulsorily study the 6th subject under the NSQF, with the remodeled assessment scheme being implemented from 2017-18 academic session. If a candidate fails to pass in any one of the 3 elective subjects, that is science, social science and mathematics, then it will be replaced by the vocational subject, which is the main news of the CBSE circular. The board exam result will be compounded accordingly. However, if a candidate desires to reappear for the failed subject, he or she can appear in the compartment examination. Means the result will be added in the vocational system will be added, and the candidate desires to reappear for the failed subject, he can also appear as the compartment examinations. Student will have 13 options to choose from for the 6th subject. The first one is dynamics of retailing, information technology, security, automobile technology, introduction to financial market, introduction to tourism, beauty and wellness, basic agriculture, food production, front office operation, banking and insurance, marketing and sales and healthcare services. There are 13 and you have to choose only one for your additional subject. According to the circular, the maximum mark will be 100. Out of the total 100 marks, the board exam will be of 50 marks, means the written exam will be of 50 marks and the other 50 marks will be for the internal assessments or the practical examinations of that vocational subject. A candidate will have to score at least 33% marks in both board exam and the practical exam differently to pass in that specific vocational subject. In another major decision, the CBSE has decided to do away with 7 academic electives and 34 vocational subjects for class 12 because of low enrollment numbers. So guys, I hope that I have given complete information about the 6th or the vocational subject. So please like this video and please subscribe to my channel.